behold, new boots.
Oh man, look at those bad boys.
They look a lot like these, don't they?
Yes,
Except,
actually.
I mean, I walk weird.
Yeah.
I have a tendency to drag my heel a little bit.
Oh my gosh. There's like no orange safety grip on that anymore.
Well, here's what the bottom's supposed to look like.
Oh yeah.
I bought those exact same boots because they're just so good. And they're composite toe and waterproof, which is my own personal requirement.
Well, we do catch the rain a lot.
And at work, I walk right alongside semi-trucks with unlicensed drivers in them, so I gotta protect my toesies.
Yes, I agree. Oh, you put your boots on. Now they think it's time to go somewhere. You gonna go new boot goofing?
Yeah.
We are all packed up and ready to go. Mike's just hooking the Jeep up, finishing it up. Oh man, those are some nice boots you got there.
What are you paying me? Wait, what? I'm just goofing. You're both goofing.
Made it. Here's the campground. Everything is set up for horsies. Hey Piper, go ahead and back it in for us. You too, guy. Doing something a little different this time. Not only are we dry camping, we're gonna nose in. I'd say we're gonna need a lot of them.
We got 2 stacks out, we got all of them. It's still not level.
No, but
We're not getting level here.
we're not gonna achieve levelness, but we're gonna get as close as we possibly can. I mean, look at Mike is 6'2". Yep. We're gonna see how strong these orange Legos are. Trying to get a little extra lift, testing it out. What do you guys think? Will it hold? Will it snap? Will it just shove it into the ground? We have liftoff. We'll have to wait till we leave to see if there's any structural damage, but I didn't hear any cracker or popping, so I guess that's a success for that. All blocks are used?
Yeah, I just don't like leaving the front tires hanging there. It makes it wobbly because it's like you're on stilts.
Right, it does feel really unstable when you don't have that supported. You gotta watch that first step though, it's a doozy.
It's about up to my knee.
Oh my gosh. You might be wondering why we are nosed in.
That's backwards.
Yes. We are currently in someone else's site.
Yes, our neighbors, but they're on their way.
Yeah.
Dave and Andrea Fitch have that site right there. Since there's no hookup here, I don't have to worry about electric or anything, so I just nosed it in.
Yeah, so hopefully we can sustain the levels that we're at presently.
If we had to turn the Wraith around, this would be a no-go for us because we can't lift the back axle off the ground like we did with the front axle because that's where the parking brake is.
Right, and I don't know if we have enough blocks to build those big of pyramids to get it up that high, so I guess it kind of worked out for now.
Yeah.
I wanted to give an update on how this cane koozie is working out, and I must say it is my favorite. It keeps everything super cold, and of course, by dog math, I've only had one. Oh, look at Pipey. She's getting all cuddles. We got Guy basically sleeping under there until I turn the flash on.
She's cold. It's kind of chilly.
It is chilly. I mean, look, you're wearing a jacket. I'm wearing a hoodie. It's It's necessary to have this fire.
Yeah, the low tonight is 48. Looks like Fitch has finally made it. How unlevel is this site, Dave?
What makes you think it's unlevel?
Oh, just looking at it, it looks a bit off.
Well, the right to left's pretty, not, it's pretty good. It's 2 inches.
Yeah, you can live with that.
But the front to back is 27 3/4 inch.
It's more than 2 feet.
So change of plans. We moved from that side of the street over to this side. It's way more level. Yeah.
Way more gooder.
A whole lot better.
We can deal with that.
Well, it is 9:30 at night, and I'm in here making Mike some Velveeta shells and cheese. He likes to say that he is a trophy husband, but come on. I think I'm really the MVP here, making him shells and cheese just because he asked for it at 9:30 p.m. Here you are eating your shells and cheese looking like a hobo out by the campfire.
I don't think you ever find a hobo with boots this nice.
Oh, baby. Breakfast is over, but it looks like it's time for cuddles.
Apparently so.
They climbed up there all on their own. I'm over here by myself. No one wants to cuddle in.
Where are we going, guys?
A house tour, apparently.
Is that where we're going?
Malabar Farm house tour, yep.
Alright.
I'm surprised you two aren't holding hands up there.
Oh, those are some damn nice boots you got
Well,
there.
thanks.
Dude.
Yeah, here, check them out.
Dang.
Been doing some new boot goofing the last couple days.
Yeah, I would too.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Don't you guys want to know how much you paid for those boots?
How much?
Spent $500 on these sons.
You spent $500 on them sons of...
Oh my gosh, even they had a KitchenAid mixer. Buddy? Look at that goat. Definitely reminds me of my childhood. Sounds, the sights, the smells. I love it. It really is such a beautiful day here today too. It's really sunny. It's not windy. I don't know what we did, but maybe we broke the curse. There's a rooster. Coming to mess up someone's day. I know, right? I had many bad experiences with roosters growing up. No, thank you.
I bet you he's got a sore throat. I can tell.
Oh.
He's a little hoarse.
Starting to become actual fall. Lots of leaves are turning and falling. It's a very small campground. This is the only loop. It ends right down there. There's, I think, 15 sites, all dry. No shower house, no nothing, no dump station. So it's actually very quiet. Mostly horse people. Everything is set up for equine. but everyone is welcome. Our neighbors over there are being very loud with their generator.
Notice how nice and quiet it is over here.
It was so peaceful. We're over here getting ready to grill. So we actually bought these burgers from the visitor center. They sell them up there, and they are from the farm here, from Malabar Farm. So we're like, you know what? We're gonna support them by buying them some buy-in burgers, grilling them up for lunch. I like how she's standing on there like,
Makes her taller.
yeah, she's like, I'm a big girl now. You should be happy to know, Pipey, that boxers are well loved here. You're in good hands. In that tour, they mentioned that the owner of the property loved dogs, so, I mean, I get it.
Not just dogs,
Yeah.
boxers.
You love boxers, so it kind of made me feel like, oh, like after having Piper, like we really enjoy the boxer breed.
But
So-
he had 70.
Yeah, he always had, I think, like 5 at a time or something like that.
That's a handful.
It was, yeah, that would be a major handful. Just Guy and myself over here watching the grill. Mike took Piper over to the Fitches. Look at that. She's not even growling. She's got her tail whipping away. Good girl, Pipes. Oh, she's just gonna play. Oh, she wants to play. Oh, that makes me so happy. How's your Malabar Farm burger?
It's good.
Good. It was pretty tasty.
I have to do a music video.
Yeah.
Come on. They're not playing along very well.
They don't even have a new boot goof.
No, they don't.
I don't have new boots to Goofin.
We can fix that.
Yeah. All right. We're going to the boot store right now.
Well, we came up here to look at the cabin from Shawshank, but it is currently being rented. So we're gonna make the boys do trail instead.
Oh, it's a big ass snake.
Where?
Right there.
I'm ready to go back to the car. I'm gonna pee myself.
No, just Goofin. New boot Goofin.
Up here on G's Mountain. It's got a beautiful view. Let's see where the guys are. Holding hands, making out. Okay, that's real cute. Oh my gosh, it never ends. you have a good walk, Piper? Huh? Yeah, you pulled most of the time like a bad girl. Still trying to learn how to do that.
Oh, finally.
About time. Jeez. Look at those boots.
He's got color and goof.
It's alright, guy. I'm just goofing. New boot goofing.
Uh-oh. They weren't calling for rain, but here it is. We're calling for rain Sunday.
Who are we camping with?
Imagine that.
Right. It just never ends. We gotta move our chairs. It's coming. Yep, it's coming down pretty good now.
Oh, it is.
We were gonna start a fire, and then we're like, you know what? The sun disappeared. Look at the weather. No need to look. Here it is. The rain stopped last night so we could have a campfire. Then it started up again. It's been raining pretty much all morning. Right now it's just a light mist. Looks like everyone else is gone except for Fitch's and us, and then we got people in a tent over there. Up here at the cul-de-sac, there seems to be some sites that seem more level than what we have. Little outhouse. So much for having a rain-free weekend, but did I really expect it not to rain? Even though they said no rain? No. We took you guys to see some of the Shawshank Redemption movie sites, and if you are interested, a couple years ago we actually did the tour of the Mansfield Reformatory, which is the jail where it was filmed, where it was set at in Mansfield, Ohio. We recorded an entire video and it is completely unedited still today. So if you guys would like to see that video, leave a comment below. Let us know if you would want me to go back and actually edit and publish the video from the Mansfield Reformatory in Mansfield, Ohio, filming site for Shawshank Redemption. What are you doing? Ready to go? Or are you just wanting a chip? Yeah. They definitely want chips. And chip. A Piper turn. Oh, good. Good girl, Pipey. We are starting to make our way back to another destination. We haven't decided where to go, but we are really trying to avoid the rain this time. So wish us luck with that, because it really didn't pan out this time. Despite the rain though, we really did have a good weekend. We got to have multiple campfires and do some hiking. So all in all, I really enjoyed this park. I am partial. I really do enjoy like dry camping or boondocking. It just seems to be more with nature, even though I'm in a Super C. I get it. It's contradictory. But I think you might understand what I'm saying is like you can almost get more off the grid in nature peacefully, even though you have a motor home. You know, it doesn't matter what you have as long as you're getting out there. So until next time, see ya. Let's go, Pipey. I'm ready. Beep beep. Got you ready. Beep beep. She's just checking out Andrea and Wade. Well, Mike is back talking to Dave.
Thank you.